Hello everybody, Pixel here, and welcome to another episode of Build Challenge. Basically, in this challenge, I spin a wheel and get either a theme or a word that will dictate what I will be building for 10 minutes. And after this 10-minute timer is up, I drop it and move on to the next randomly generated theme. And by the end, we will have 3 of these themes that will all kind of be working together. And as you can see, my computer's already trying to die on me, which is just great. Love that for me. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into getting our first theme. Alrighty, so here is our wheel of themes. As you can see, we have things like school, cyberpunk, skyscraper, garden, nether, galaxy. Some more of these themes will be added soon, so be excited for that. And you guys can even leave your own themes down in the comments below, and I will be sure to use them. Okay, we're doing castles this time. Alrighty, so I have my blocks that I think I'm gonna use in this situation. I can use word edit as well. So without further ado, let's get started. 3, 2, 1, go. I just realized that I am not talking at all. Sorry guys. The issue is that I don't know what editing format I'm gonna be using for this video because I've been considering, sprucing it up, okay? Making something a bit different. Because, typically I don't like editing too much of these videos out because I don't like not showing off the timer and skipping through, and I think it's just off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. But yeah, I think it's just, I don't know, it's just a sort of ick of mine, I guess. So as you can kind of see here, I've gone ahead and went with a 10 block high tower. It's gonna be it's not gonna be castle. It's just gonna be like those towers you'll see around the castles. But yeah, I think those towers are pretty cool. And they're the simplest thing that I can build within 10 minutes, and that does represent castles and the like. So this is what we are getting. And that worked out well. That worked out well, I would think. Maybe, hopefully. I might be being delusional. And it can continue, it can be one, it just cannot be hollow. And that tops it off nicely. Because I cannot see anything because my computer decides that it wants to die. Okay. Go ahead and get some lanterns and some fences. Bop, 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 bop. There, that should help light up that space a bit. Of course, I also want to do, but instead, okay, we have about 5 minutes left. So we want some spruce planks up and here. Alright, and now we want to add the things at the top. So like this. Oh boy. It has to be nice in a pattern. Should I be filming this video at 9 p.m.? Probably not, but you know, only time I get to actually film is when I know I will not be disturbed, which is in the dead of night, and I don't regret it that often. Like I said, this is fun for me. I like playing Minecraft. And then pop, pop, pop. Now I sort of just wanna add some more texture in here. Get some mossy bits on as well. And then like 2 minutes left. What else can we do with this thing? Not too much, I don't think. We can try and like do maybe like a throne in here. Maybe more like this, and then like this. Yeah, that's vaguely throne shaped, I think. And then, oh, nope. Why is my mouse freaking apart? I do not have time for this. Okay. Okay, we got a throne. We got a throne. Maybe add in gold right there. Okie dokie, we have 44 seconds left. So this is what our castle looks like right now. As you can see, it's very castle shaped ish. It's more tower. Like I said, it's more tower. That's what it is. It's more tower. Alright, timer is up, and we have our castle. It's not. It is like I said before. It is more of like a tower of a castle than a castle, but it works for what we are trying to go for in this situation. I think. I hope. Maybe. Possibly. Alright, so we have our castle. If you can't tell, this is the next day. I'm feeling much better than I was like last night. So we have our castle. So now we can go ahead and get our second theme. Woo. Okay, so we have our wheel here. So let's go ahead and spin this. My thing muted? No, it's not. It's fine. Alright. So now we have Galaxy. Alright, so the one that we got was Galaxy. And funnily enough, I have like another build challenge that I never posted. I rolled both Castle and Galaxy in that one as well. It was out of order. Galaxy was at the end. But I just find that neat. We got 10 minutes. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, so My plan for this is to hopefully not go outside the portal first off. And second off, if you guys remember from my last one of these, did that wrong. Guys, remember from my last one of these, I like using blackstone for my night skies because it's really easy and simple to just go ahead and do, because I can just do this and then this and then, so you got all of this blackstone. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go from heal to heal. I'm going to replace all blackstone with 75% blackstone and 25% gilded blackstone. And like the gilded blackstone just works really well, I think, in just creating spark of color that's stars and stuff do. In addition, in order to get more of that galaxy feel, I'm gonna go ahead and replace all this grass with light gray concrete. Alright, I'm going for a moon look. That's what I'm going for here. Going for a moon look. Can I do brush the form? Can I do like a spiel of light gray concrete? See? Oh, there we go. This might go like it. The build itself won't go outside the bottle, but the shapes might. We're just gonna ignore it. Can we agree to just ignore it? Then I want to do this, but oh yeah, spiel. Yeah. So do like this, kind of like clear up the top, heal, and heal. And that's a bit too far down. I didn't want to dig this far down because I don't know the restraints I might want to have. And so I think G mask gray light gray concrete global mask set. Then I want to do brush set spiel gray concrete, maybe? Yes! Okay, there we go. That's a bit less, what you call it, subtle than what I want. So let's go ahead and get some of this, and then maybe some of this radius, and then the paddle. Okay. Okay, I can only do I think that's like some of the most that I can really do. Unless, like, do we have like a slightly in between? That's a little tough. Polish tough. Might work. That's definitely a bit more of a subtle change. Maybe just regular tough. Have 3 minutes on the clock. I don't like it. Don't like it. And then maybe now we'll try the set speed of gray concrete. Go. It's still harsh. I don't know. But anyway, it's not the only thing I want to do here. I also want to go ahead and so we want to disable that and then go into brush, lime green concrete. It used to be light green, lime green, I swear to you. So go ahead and undo. Oh god, I don't have enough time. I do not have enough time to do this. Gmask, anything not ale. Then just like add a model. Didn't realize how little time I had. That looks like it was enough, right? Alrighty, so we have our moon, we have our castle, and so that is the mix of galaxy and castle. So now we can go ahead and get our third and final one before we can wrap up this video for again tonight, because this is still nighttime. Right, let's go. Alrighty, I am here and let's just go. Yeah, you guys know the drill at this point. Or the wheel, I should say, the spinning of the wheel. If I get pirate, okay. It's not. So pirate was the last one I got. Well, it was the second one I got and the one that I not posted. So like it would have been funny to see that happen again. But we got school. Oh boy. Alright, so we have school, unfortunately. I think I have kind of sort of an idea for what to do, but I don't know if it's gonna work out. I think I almost just called 911. My phone has this funky thing in which if you press the wrong button, it'll just start calling 911. So yeah, 10 minutes on the clock. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. So what I'm going to do this. Just take this heel. Sorry, I had to wiggle my mouse in order to get it to work again. And then we're gonna just set it to gray concrete. Like that. I hope you all like take a look at my hotbar and see where I'm going with this. And great, now I got the Magic School Bus theme song stuck in my head. I have not seen that show in so long, and yet the tunes are catching. I think I'm just gonna have to get rid of this. Open sprawl, getting rid of the natural landscape. Okay. Oh my lord. I'm also like not an appropriate song for this channel, but there's been a song that's been going around my TikTok recently. It's that like uniform song. Alright, let's see. I have never y'all seen that meme in which it's like, how about you being built like the bus driver? Or how about you being built like the bus? Let's see if I can actually build a bus. Alright, so we have, it's sort of shaping. It's doing a little shape thing. Shut up. It might be hollow on the inside, but you know what? That's just where the kids go. You know? This is honestly the best thing I can do for bus. Like, I don't... Not bus, school. Oh my lord. Okay. Have like headlights. Oh. Maybe the windows might help. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. This bus looks like it's in pain. I need to extend this out. I'm gonna push the wheels back as well, don't worry. Just can't handle it. Not. It didn't look right, just like how it was before. It's not even. Okay. It's something. Definitely something. Then just have those like stone buttons. So we have that. Wonder what else we can do, because we have some time. I was panicking for nothing. We have time. I'm looking for polished andesite. That's what I'm looking for. Because I think I want to do, and then like orange. Like a little. Y'all see the vision, right? Just stick with me. I'll show you my vision. Just... Pop. Space bus. I think it needs yellow. Why don't you just have 64 doors now? Where did my axe go? Space bus. It has a rocket. It has a rocket. It has a rocket, and what else do we want this thing to have? Maybe it is encased in glass. Oh my lord, do y'all remember Tekkit? Oh my lord, please tell me y'all remember, like, I don't remember if that's like the actual mod pack name or just the name that the people like I saw watching it came up with for it, or playing it like came up for it or whatever. But like, oh my god, that was so much fun. I miss the space. I miss. Heh. There should be some ale. It's not physically possible for there to not be ale. That's odd. Alright, well, we won't have a little bubble. We might be able to make one. I don't want to risk too much of it. But yeah, y'all remember like Tekkit and stuff, and like actually going to space and getting to create your own space station, and you had to like conserve resources and stuff. Oh my god, I loved that mod pack. I adored it. Because if I do like, I'm sorry, this is gonna bug me. That does that. Huh? Alright. Well, let's see if I can do so replace non light gray. That's at the false position. No. I loved it so much. I loved it so much. Whatever. Whatever. I tried to do something cool. It doesn't end up working out. We give the bus a space helmet. Yeah, let's get the bus a space helmet. Why not? We have like a minute. If that mod has been updated to like a recent version of Minecraft, you guys know which mod pack we're playing next when I get time back and can do another Minecraft series. It's gonna be that one. It's gonna be that one, and we're gonna go to space. And it's gonna be so much fun. And oh my god, there was one point in which like I'm pretty sure it was just like really cool editing, but like they had like the Pixelmon Minecraft mod in, and it said that if you place stained glass a certain way, and you on a beacon, you would go to the moon and you would be able to catch like Xerneas, I believe. And it, oh my lord, I love Minecraft mods. I'm gonna be honest with you, I love them. I'm not typically a vanilla player. I love them. But yeah, so that is all for today. So as you can see, we have our castle theme right here. We did a lot with our galaxy theme. And then we have our school theme in the form of a school bus. So like maybe they discovered like this ruined castle on the moon, and now there's like it's in the future in which now they're going on a field trip to the moon, and everything is all fine and dandy, except that we did not fully block it in, so they are all gonna die. So I hope you enjoyed this episode of Build Challenge. I know I did. And if you guys have any suggestions for themes that you want to see added, please leave them below. I'm always open to new challenges as well. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to like to show your support, subscribe to see more, and yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye bye!